Today is a very exciting day. Whoa, that was very bright. Guess what? We're redoing the kitchen. Have you seen my kitchen? It's been the biggest bane of my existence. I'm obsessed with this house. I love it so much. I'm renting, so I can't make big renovations. And my countertops have always been this like very distinct red. First of all, let me just do a proper intro, okay? Hi, this is Alex Michael May. I'm so grateful you're on my channel. If you're new here, most videos are probably about like fashion and lifestyle and stuff, but I'm getting more into lifestyle due to some requests to like know more about my house. And I thought that this would be a very fun process to show. And if you're a returning BFF, you may have been the one asking about more house content. And I'm so excited that you did because I have been redoing my kitchen and I'm just so excited to show it off to you guys. So essentially, I'm renting and we had a few parameters that we wanted to like hit. We, meaning me. It had to be renter friendly, so it had to be something that my landlord was okay with and that wouldn't modify too much, that wouldn't be too expensive. So kind of temporary, not necessarily temporary, but nothing that would like affect the integrity of the home, because this is like a 1920s, early 1920s build, and there's like a lot of like historic elements that we don't want to mess with. And also it wouldn't be too expensive. So those are our main workarounds, and also that would be stylish and functional for me because I love being in my kitchen. I love eating. I was gonna say I love cooking. We're getting there. I do enjoy the process of cooking, especially whilst drinking wine. But anyway, I spend a lot of time in my kitchen. And so I wanted to create a space that was fun. And I'm gonna quit blabbing, just get into it. So I'm gonna show you guys the before. And the main problem was the eyesore. Nothing felt cohesive, the eyesore of the red countertops. So our goal was to lean into the countertops and to somehow make them like the focal point of the room in a very cool, modern, refreshing way. So I asked my friend, Cynthia, Hot Pink Pineapples. I'm gonna link to her below, but I'm also gonna show you her little Instagram here. She does incredible makeovers. She made over her West Hollywood apartment that she's renting. So she's redone the bathroom. She redid her own kitchen, and she is just such a talented, she's mind-blowing. You really need to go check out her DIYs. She does really short form ones over on TikTok, and her Instagram is amazing. She's truly one of the most talented, visionary people I've ever met. I've known her for years and admired her work. And so when I told her about my issue with the countertops, she embraced the challenge, and we've been working on it together for a few months, but I'm gonna walk you through the whole process today and do the big reveal, and I'm so excited. So let's get into the before. Goodness! You're so cute! Oh my god, you are wild!
Lightning.
To do some more work. When the cat's away, the mice will play. I heard you shit talking my kitchen yesterday when I wasn't here.
No, I was shit talking the cabinet.
I didn't design this, and I don't care. Like, take a look around. But she's back for day 2.
I'm back.
What's your plan today?
Today's the big day. Today's the day we get to actually like put color up. Yesterday was all the prep work. Because that takes a really long time. So she was these IKEA cabinets. You want to make sure you get really good primer and sanding. And so today's the fun day.
Woohoo! So, don't know, but we'll see some changes later. All my kitchen stuff is here.
Tonight. Endless roads to the horizon, past the oasis, it's all behind you. Mirage of agua, the stars above you, the creature's days to nocturnal days, makes you forget about.
So what did we get done today? So give us a little tour.
Today was prep day. Today's the day that's the worst. That's the non-fun day.
So
we cleaned,
this is gone.
We primered, we sanded, we primered, and then we primered again, and then tomorrow we'll paint. This is the part that nobody likes to do, and then they're like, why are my cabinets chipping? I'm like, because you didn't do this.
So all of the cupboards and drawers are out here, and these have just been primed and sanded. Oh my gosh. Totally forgot they were coming, and I was doing like a freaking bikini haul when they rolled up, and I was like, who are these people? We're just seeing if it fits today. I'm sorry I wasn't prepared and my time is off, but I literally forgot, and I saw you guys outside. I'm like, who's this hot couple? in my like, I was honestly like, they look cool. They're not from the neighborhood. Like, who are they?
We just before we finish.
I was like, are they moving in? And I literally was like, oh yeah.
I better make sure it fits before we keep going.
Oh my gosh. I think it's perfect. Oh my gosh.
It's gonna be okay.
Already.
Okay, cool.
The shape of it. How'd you make it all round and stuff?
Oh, yeah, no, it's also gonna be banded and.
Yay! We have the final knobs that we were missing. Do you have swatches to show me? Oh, we have swatches today. So far, this is my
you can
winner.
even do a cream
for
bottom.
Here. Oh yeah. See,
With
I
the
like.
top.
I love this green. I just feel like it
yeah.
kind of departs from the rest.
Yeah.
And I know we don't want to be like so matchy, but this just feels like it really just speaks to the rest of the room really well, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Oh, Cynthia and Wes are back, and they brought this awesome booth piece. But they are actually geniuses, and I think everybody needs to know that they need their own TV show. But we're picking swatches, but we're also picking art.
Yep.
So what do we have here?
So we have the one piece that you picked.
Yes, I love that one.
And then we're gonna see if this is its pair.
Ooh, like you were thinking they would go next to each other.
Yeah.
Ooh.
My favorite, really.
I mean, if it's
Very excited to show you what's going on today. It's a big day around here as I walk around the house flossing. Let's go. Let's go. If you're new to my channel, I swear it's not always this chaotic, except for it is. Look what's going on. We're doing some spray painting in the house. Do not recommend.
Totally crazy, but
We don't recommend.
don't recommend.
This is not, oh my God, look what you did to her. We love it. Okay, sorry, I don't want to be in your business so much, but sorry. This is important. So we're spray painting this tap so that the whole sink looks.
It's plastic, so
Yes.
it won't take rub and buff.
Yes, that. Rub and buff. Oh my God, how cute
Do
is
you
this?
like it? It's
Look, my hair is done. It's looking good.
Not vlogging, you never did last time. so-
What? Why are you complaining? I'm FaceTime with Callie and she's talking shit. What? So we're about to do the kitchen reveal and I am getting dressed, obviously because I'm not dressed. So I'm just trying to pick out an outfit that will match with the kitchen. It will match with Cynthia. So I'm gonna put this away so that I can get dressed without showing you my nude body. This is what I went with. I just think it kind of matches the vibe, as you will soon see. Except for I noticed there's like a big weird stain on the bottom that I'm hoping you won't see in the photos or videos. What the heck is this? It's already been washed and I like this dress. I'm annoyed. So I'm gonna go see the kitchen, fully styled, fully done for the very, very first time, and I'm so excited. First of all, this pink door just like made all the difference because it's like, you don't know what's coming, but this is new art. I'm so excited. Okay, come in, come in. I wanna hear the spiel from you.
it's done, finally!
Yay! Oh my gosh, I can't even believe it.
I feel like
excited.
this was the project that took forever, but it's worth it.
It looks, I'm just like, I don't even know where
Yeah.
to like put my eyes because I'm like, oh my God, everything. Oh my God, cute. That little moment. Oh, look at her. Oh, I love my cookbooks out. I've never had my cookbooks out before.
They're so cute.
Oh my God, all of this.
So my favorite thing is probably your backsplash.
Yes, so tell us about it.
It was this fun little DIY that I did where we hand painted this faux tile that I found at Home Depot. It's super cheap. I think it was like 50 bucks to do the whole thing. And I think it makes the biggest difference, besides the rug.
It does.
Which you were like, a rug in the kitchen. And I was
scared.
like, just hold on, just like stand by me with this one. I think you're gonna love it, and you do really like it.
I love it. I guess
Yeah,
I'm just
it's
worried
nice.
about what's gonna happen
For
to
sure.
it, but time will tell.
And you
Time
should
will
be able to
tell.
wash this one, which is
That's
nice.
what I was gonna ask you. It is
Yeah, I
washable?
think it's washable.
Okay, awesome.
And it just ties everything together. It's so
It
nice.
does.
It's got something soft on your feet, even when you're in the kitchen. You know, it's so cool.
So nice.
Yeah, I'm really
I love.
into it.
Did you do a tutorial for this backsplash?
I did. I have that on my feed.
Okay,
It's
we'll make
good.
sure to put that in if
Yeah.
anyone wants to
It's
try
so
to do that.
easy.
Oh, I love we should show the hardware. 'Cause I
Oh,
think
the
this
hardware's good.
also made like the biggest difference
Absolutely.
in the whole.
So that is all hardware from CD2, and I just
How
love the
good is
half moon
historical?
bowls. They're just so good.
So good.
And just that gold, it's just nice. It modernizes everything
Yeah,
just a little bit,
it
you know.
totally does, yeah.
And I know you really like that hint of brass and gold, so I was like, let's do it. And your new chandelier.
This is my favorite. This is the coolest lighting
It's so
fixture
good.
ever. It's
I mean,
so good.
It was such an upgrade from that like spacey one I felt like you had.
Yeah.
And like people think that because you're a renter you can't change your lights, but we changed every single light in here. Change your fixtures. The first thing I do is always change my light fixtures, or if I have a friend who has a rental, because you can just put the old ones right back up. Our fixtures are under our bed in our apartment.
Like all your old pictures.
Yeah, I just
It just upgrades. I actually have done that throughout the house.
It
So
makes
if
such a
I
difference.
if I end up doing like a full house tour for you guys, I will show you all the fixtures I replaced because it makes all the difference.
Everything.
But let's actually show each fixture.
Yeah.
So we replaced, there were 3 in here. We replaced all 3.
All 3.
This one you said weighs so much, it's marble, right?
It was. It weighs a lot. It was in the butt to put in, but worth it. It's really nice quality. And remember when you had the fan and you couldn't open your cabinet?
Oh my gosh. The fan were like dum dum dum
It
dum,
didn't
dum.
make any
Yeah, it
sense.
was
So
so
we
bad.
did like a really nice clean flush mount.
Yeah.
I thought the marble, we have little touches of marble everywhere, so we kind of ties that all in.
What I wish my countertops were.
Yeah, don't we all?
But we weren't, which is what actually inspired this entire kitchen makeover in the first place, was the fact that this red was something I couldn't deal with on a day-to-day basis.
And it looks so good. And it was your
so
idea. You're like, I want to lean into them. I want to make them work. And I was like, let's do it. And we did. I think it looks really cute. There's little touches of red, tiny bits everywhere that kind of pull it together.
And the other final, this light fixture.
Oh, that picture, yeah. Cedar
so
moss, a little over the sink light, which is really nice. It was great. The little holes and hooks and stuff are on there. So good.
And then, oh my gosh, the sink. This is like.
So we just used some Rub and Buff, which I'd never done before, and it worked out great. I really, really, really like it. I think it looks nice. It kind of matches the other little gold tones in the space, so it's really nice. It's a huge upgrade.
So this was just like a silver sink before.
Yeah. So we went with something custom. So we made this little table and this little nook area with the back cushions. Just had a really nice art moment, and I think it fits perfectly. It's probably one of my favorite things I've ever made. I really love it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's really, really good. I love the light wood. I love it. I love it all the way around. I love it. I think it's so good.
Beautiful.
So now I can sit here, have wine, have friends over.
Yay!
It's great.
That is it. This was like one of the most exciting, fun projects I have ever done. Last summer, I did like sell all my furniture and redo my bedroom and redo everything, and I was going through a really tough time and going through a breakup, and like reclaiming my home and my space just for me was so empowering, and this is just like the next level of that. So if you are looking to like, I don't know, change your mood, change your life, I think even if you're just moving around your furniture, like a coat of paint, there's so many simple things you can do just to feel better about your home. But here I am in this beautiful new kitchen. I am just over the moon. Here it is, and if you guys want a breakdown of all the items here, let me know. I can make them all shoppable. But here's just a little last glance. I got to cook breakfast in here and make coffee in here for the first time the last couple days, and it just is such a beautiful, peaceful place to be. And I just like love how the light comes in and all the little touches. It's just so me. Already the sink is messy because I'm a human being, but I'm so happy here. So I want to give a huge thank you and a huge shout out to Hopping Pineapples, aka Cynthia, and her husband Wes, who worked so hard on this project. Please head over to her socials. I'm gonna link them below, but she does a ton of amazing tutorials. She's truly, like, I have never met anyone as talented as this couple. They need their own show, right? Don't they need their own show? I always say that. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're a returning BFF, thanks for following along on my journey. I hope you liked this video. I'd love to hear more about what you want to see. And if you're new to my channel, I hope that this video was helpful. Tried to break down a few things by like cost and like how to get them done, but happy to share more links. Just comment below and let me know how I can best serve you and what other videos you want to see, and I'm so grateful that you're here. Again, head over to my Instagram. I do stories behind the scenes, so like I let you guys vote like which swatch for the booth, like which color fabric to use, etc., and like what color paints. I love like having that interactive time with you guys. So if you want to be a part of all that, head over to my Instagram stories and head over to my TikTok for more short form content, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Make sure you hit subscribe and that little bell so you never miss a video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.